Hi, my name is Debora Stephen Akida. I'm from Tanzania. I'm here studying medical laboratory technology, second year at Manipal. From the beginning, I wanted to be a medical lab. So when I finished my +2, I went directly to choose MLT. Actually, Manipal, if you go to the internet, you will see that it's one of the worldwide known universities. And facilities, they provide best facilities because we get to go to the hospitals and save the actual patients, and we have also our own labs in our college, so we can do both in hospital and in the classroom. Here at MAHE, they have this system like they give us teacher guardians. Those teacher guardians, they will be like mother or father to us. So you can approach them with any problem you have, and they will help you in any way. That's the best for me. It's very good to approach the teacher guardian. They will help. And for me, I get help even from my classmates, my teachers, and my wardens. In terms of localized, when they see you, they know you are not from India, so they will help you as best as they can. Even there's a language barrier, they will try to understand you like that. Ever since I came here, I went to all the labs that operates here in MAHE, in Kasturba Hospital. We went to the pathology lab, we went to microbiology, we went to hematology, blood bank, biochemistry, collection center also. MAHE campus life is very exciting life because there are some projects, some seminars, there are some functions, a lot of functions which help us to refresh our minds. Like we have UTSA, we have PARS. You can go and enjoy. Having 1 year internship here in MAHE make me eligible to get job anywhere I want. We have seen some people from Norway, from Germany, from USA, they come here for internship for maybe 3-week learning. So that means everywhere I go in the world, I will be identified and I will get a job. The MAHE campus has beautiful places you can visit. I like Country Hotel. It's good like that. And we have also Butterfly, but it's for veggies, so all the veggies can have their beautiful meal there. Our library is the most peaceful and silent place. You want a peaceful place and silent one, you can get there in the library. If you are doing research on some things, there's already published the articles there, so you can see from other publishers what they did, and you can compare and know what you have to do in your project or research like that. MAHE is a good place. I love living here, and whenever I go back home, I will definitely come back for masters. I will come back for masters because of the good experience I had.